Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You already have Roblox and a recording tool. Start now. Open the map or clip you want and hit record, keeping playback to under 60 seconds. Capture at 1080p and 30 to 60 frames per second so motion stays smooth, and orient for a vertical crop by planning action in the center of the screen. Once done, save the raw clip with a clear name. Make sure to record a short reaction or voice line in one take so you have a hook. Now you edit. Trim to the best 15 to 45 seconds and remove dead frames so the pace feels urgent. Use quick jump cuts, half a second to 1 second, so viewers don't lose focus, and add bold text overlays that explain the moment instantly. Bring in a punchy sound effect on the main action, then color grade lightly to lift contrast and skin tones. Once mixed, export using H.264 or HEVC with good bitrate and check audio sync before the upload. You're ready to upload. Select the vertical version, write a punchy hook in the title, and add concise tags that match Roblox trends. Make sure the thumbnail frame contains the most readable image at 9:16 orientation, and enable captions so people watch with sound off. Once published, monitor retention in the first 24 to 48 hours and promote on socials. If views lag, tweak the first 3 seconds, swap the thumbnail, or re-edit the intro to increase immediate engagement. That usually fixes most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.